If you want a compact, family-friendly keyboard that's affordable and full of features, the Melody 61 for Malawian kwachas is built for that market. It's a 61-key instrument with a friendly control panel, around 300 built-in sounds, auto-chord accompaniment rhythms, demo songs and accessory bundles that typically include a stand and headphones. On Canada and other retailers I saw this model around roughly Canadian dollar to US dollar mid-low hundreds. .ca listed about 149 Canadian dollars at one listing. On camera I'd say the Melody 61 is a delight for kids, classrooms and casual players, light, portable, and full of sounds that keep practice playful. The keys are compact, not full 88 range, so it's not for repertoire that needs full piano range, but it's absolutely fine for chord practice, songwriting, and learning. Customer reviews often praise the value and bundle accessories. Criticisms center on compact key size and limited expressive depth compared to full-size weighted pianos. Pros: very affordable, packed with sounds and lessons, great accessory bundles. Cons: limited to 61 keys, not for full classical pieces, lighter feel and simple speakers. Popular with parents and beginners. Buy links are in the description box.